When developing an application integrated with SAP ERP, we've seen that certain considerations must be taken into account. First, we'll focus on keeping the aesthetics and user experience so that our application is consistent with SAP ERP. For this purpose, GeneXus has a specific pattern and design system for Fiori. By applying a pattern, GeneXus creates for us all the necessary objects to provide the desired performance, so we don't have to program them. For example, let's suppose that even though we have the customer transaction, to make additions, modifications, and deletions, we would also like to have an attractive page for customer queries that shows all the existing customers following the Fiori design style. That allows filtering by customer name, and that also offers a screen to enter a new customer, to modify an existing one, or to delete it. To achieve this very quickly, we have the Fiori for Web pattern. And first, we're going to see how to apply it to the customer transaction. In GeneXus, in the Patterns tab of the customer transaction, we choose Fiori for Web. The first time we use the Fiori for Web pattern in a knowledge base, this option will appear to initialize the pattern with the Horizon design system, which will import everything necessary to work with this pattern. Before clicking on it, let's see the following. If we go to the Tools Fiori menu, we see that GeneXus has three different versions of the Fiori design system: 2.0, 3.0, and Horizon. Why? Because this guarantees that the applications generated with GeneXus are future-proof, which means that regardless of time and new versions, you'll always have the latest design system released by SAP. Therefore, the SAP ERP version used in our development will depend on the SAP ERP version used by our customer. For the purposes of this course, we'll use the latest version released to date, called Fiori Horizon. Okay, once we click on the link, GeneXus will start importing everything necessary to define the general design and behavior aspects of the different types of controls used in the screens and the floor plans. Floor plans are predefined layouts for the most common use cases. They're used to form a simple and responsive user interface based on SAP Fiori design guidelines. Once the import process is finished, we can see in the KB Explorer window that a Fiori-based objects module has been added with almost everything imported. We also see that this option appears to select the floor plan that we want to use for this pattern in this transaction. Next, we'll apply the Fiori for Web pattern to the transactions of our model and make different customizations.